Hey there, fellow riders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Find the Fine. Today, we're diving into the world of portable commuting with the DYU D3F 14-inch mini-folding electric bike. It's small, it's efficient, and it's ready to revolutionize your travel game. Let's unpack every detail of this electric wonder. First off, let's talk about its design. The DYU D3F is all about compactness and versatility. Sporting a foldable 14-inch frame, it's perfect for on-the-go commuters, students, or anyone seeking a portable ride. Need to stow it away? This bike's got your back, folding effortlessly to fit snugly in compact spaces. Don't let its size fool you. This mini bike packs a punch with its electric power assistance. The 250 watts brushless motor provides a noticeable boost to your ride, assisting you effortlessly through inclines and covering impressive distances on a single charge. Comfort meets functionality. Despite its small build, the DYU D3F offers a comfortable riding experience with an adjustable saddle and impressive suspension for various terrains. Plus, its LCD display keeps you informed about battery levels, while its durable vacuum tires ensure a reliable and safe journey. The DYU D3F Mini Folding Electric Bike, a marvel of compact design and efficient functionality. Crafted from sturdy metal, its full dimensions measure 1,170 x 500 x 990 mm, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic ride. Need to store it away? Not a problem. When folded, it condenses to a compact 1,170 x 200 x 720 mm, saving space effortlessly. Catering to various riders, its pedal height stands at 120 mm, while the 14-inch hub ensures stability and control. Worried about portability? Fear not. The package dimensions of 1,195 x 230 x 610 mm make it easy to transport. Despite its compact build, this electric wonder boasts a remarkable load capacity of 265 pounds, complemented by a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Tackling inclines of up to 15 degrees. No sweat. Its impressive uphill capability ensures a smooth journey. Whether cruising on throttle mode or enjoying pedal assist mode, this bike stands resilient against varying operating temperatures from 10 to 45 degrees Celsius. Plus, with an IP54 waterproof level, it's ready to take on different weather conditions. Powering this marvel is a 10 ampere-hour battery that charges efficiently with DC 42 volts, requiring 5 to 6 hours to reach full capacity. With a rated power of 250 watts and a rated voltage of 36 volts, this bike delivers reliable performance. And don't worry about safety. The BMS or battery management system ensures secure usage. Controlled by reliable front and rear disc brakes, this bike offers safety features like headlights and rear fog lights for enhanced visibility. Not to mention, its cruise control functionality adds convenience to your ride. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The pros? Its compact size and nimble maneuverability set it apart, making it ideal for urban commuters. The impressive battery range stands out, providing decent miles on throttle alone. However, the non-removable battery and limitations on steep inclines might be drawbacks for some riders. Who's this bike for, you ask? Well, budget-minded riders seeking a space-saving commuting option or a fun, lightweight ride will find the DYU D3F appealing. However, taller riders might feel a bit cramped, and commuters facing steep hills may need to explore other options. In wrapping up, the DYU D3F might not be perfect for everyone, but its compact design, impressive battery range, and nimble maneuverability make it a contender in the portable commuting realm. Whether it's zipping through city traffic or cruising leisurely, this electric wonder holds its ground. That's a wrap for today's review. The DYU D3F, with its innovative design and practical features, offers a reliable option for those seeking compact mobility. Be sure to check the full specs in the description below and stay tuned for more exciting reviews here on Find the Fine. Happy riding, folks! Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, Press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this product, link is given in description. Thanks again.